nose cone gets ejected, it pulls the parachute out, so the parachute can unfurl and let it all come down. If you didn't tie it all together, then the parachute would come out and just fly away, and the nose cone would get lost, and the rocket would come screaming back down to the ground and smack and break.
Okay. We'll go out there and launch it? Is that what you're going to do?
Yes.
Okay, go on out there and launch it.
Okay.
Yay! I want to see it go up again. Woohoo!
That's why we have to leave one motor in there.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh my! Oh, look at that!